Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Mozilla Firefox opens PDF files directly in the browser using its built-in PDF viewer. But if you want PDF files to open automatically in Adobe Reader or any other PDFs application, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Firefox on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open Firefox browser and then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner, and after that click settings in the top down menu. Now under this one general tab, scroll down to find the applications section. Here you will find portable document format PDF. Click on this one entry. After that, from this one drop down menu, you can select save file option. This will save PDF files when you will click any link on the Firefox browser, or you can choose this one option, use other, and here you can set any default application for your all PDF, such as Sumatra PDF. After that, click on this one OK button. In case you will choose here save file option, whenever you will open any PDF using Firefox, it will offer you to download that PDF file on your Windows PC. That's all about this video. Bye.